So we are in Costa Rica, and we are at the Nature Air Airport. We're tired. We've been traveling for 9 hours. Look at Jimmy. Say something. You want to go outside and show everybody what it looks like out there?
Sure, why not?
Let's go show you the airport.
Alright, come on. Come on!
The airport.
See, and that's why I'm tired.
Yeah. Yeah, but he slept on the plane, though.
He had the giggles all night long.
You had the giggles all night long. How funny.
You're funny.
So this is Nature Air. The airport. We will be going to Manuel Antonio.
Here's the outside.
The outside. It's a beautiful day. Very rainforesty. There's a lot of birds. A lot of people.
People are very friendly.
People are very friendly. What do you think?
You know what?
You know what? We're going to take a video when we get on the plane, because I heard it's pretty cool. Everything is in Spanish. This is when I need Alex Molina, plástico. I think it means plastic. We're in Alex Molina's home country. This is where the planes leave from.
There's the tarmac.
That's the tarmac that we'll be going into. Oh, cool. That's awesome. I feel like I'm in Europe, kind of. I don't know if you can see it, but those are mountains back there. Mountains that we will be going over. We're here with Jimmy.
Oh, the sun's out.
Sun's kicking. Birds are chirping. Vacation Costa Rica 2011.
We'll check in with you all later.
I don't know about you. Oh, but I'm having a good time.